Not enough time in the day to follow up with leads? Tired of paying for leads and losing them to follow up? There is a new AI-driven CRM that will change the way you do business. This AI new CRM program offers an all-in-one marketing automation platform designed to streamline various aspects of customer relationship management for businesses. This platform integrates multiple marketing tools into one system, allowing users to manage leads, engage with customers, and track performance efficiently. Includes an AI-trained lead capture and nurture through personalized follow-up. AI-enabled forms and landing pages allows users to create customizable forms and landing pages using a drag-and-drop builder to capture leads. These leads are then stored in the CRM system for further engagement. The multi-channel campaigns platform supports automated engagement through SMS, email, phone calls, voicemails, and Facebook messages. This ensures comprehensive and personalized communication with leads and customers. Automated campaigns create personalized replies and nurture campaigns that automate the conversion process, making it more efficient and effective. This includes sending targeted messages across various channels based on customer behavior and preferences. Omni-channel communication. The platform consolidates all customer interactions, whether through text, email, phone calls, or social media, into a single interface, simplifying communication management. The CRM provides detailed analytics to track key metrics such as appointment rates, campaign effectiveness, conversion rates, and response rates. This helps businesses measure the ROI of their marketing efforts and make data-driven decisions. With review requests, users can send automated review requests via SMS and email, monitor new reviews, and respond to them directly within the platform. This feature helps businesses manage their online reputation and improve their visibility on search engines. The built-in pipeline management system allows users to track opportunities by deal stage, value, and probability to close, ensuring a clear view of the sales process and aiding in sales strategy optimization. The Buzz positions itself as a cost-effective solution by consolidating various marketing and CRM functions into one platform, potentially replacing multiple software subscriptions. The platform aims to simplify the marketing process for businesses. From lead generation to customer engagement and performance tracking. You can experience the Buzz for a limited time on a 14-day free trial. Visit the link below.